Hi Dana, this is Heather from Fireland Chevrolet in Vermilion. I received a request on some Malibus, and we actually have two on the lot right now. They're both 23s and they're identical twins as far as packaging and everything goes. So I wanted to give you a quick peek at them just so you could take a look, and it's nice to be able to have some choices. Finally, oops, sorry about that crazy glare, but let me come over here and show you the red one. We just got the blue one off the carrier the other day, so let me kind of show you some of the things that it has available. It's got your power seat, remote start. It has some safety options like your lane keep assist and also heated seats, and it does have that fantastic panoramic sunroof. Like I said, both vehicles are similarly equipped. LTs with the sunroofs and the specialty wheels. So let me know which one you prefer. I'd be happy to share any other information with you. My number here is 440-657-3820. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks, Dana.